In this video, I want to talk about how you can set a stop loss inside of TradingView. So what you want to do is head over to any chart, and once you found the chart you want to do it on, what we want to do here is just right click and trade. We can create a new order, and once this pops up, I'm on the limit order. If you want to do a market order, you can do that as well, but with the limit order you'll be able to set where you want to do this. So let me just quickly remove the other one I have. And then what you can do is this will be the entry price. So you can either move this or you can change it here. So let's just quickly hide this and hide this. So let's say we want the entry price to be at 280, right? So at 280, it's gonna start the order, and we want to put a stop loss at 260. So right now we have that, and if I buy this, then that means as soon as the price hits my 280, it's gonna start my trade, and if it lands on the stop loss, it's gonna cancel itself. So that is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.